Yeah, I'm going on a trip, so I'm actually trying to pack. Have you seen my bag? Oh my god, so filled with clothes. I need to pack up. Please just join me while we pack together. You're welcome to this channel. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, you are welcome. We do lifestyle here, self-care tips, and a sprinkle of laughter. Please join me while I do my packing. See, this is my box. We are going to do the packing in this box. So join me while we do it. But I think it's better to do your packing like 3 days to when you're traveling, not just doing it a day before you travel. It's actually so, oh god, so stressful. Okay, look at me now, I'm feeling so sleepy, but what am I doing? I want to pack up and I need to do it. I have to do it this night. Oh my god, it's not easy. So next time I think I'm going to plan to do it 3 days before the D-Day. Yeah, so life will be so easy for me. So let's do it together. Just watch me as I do the packing. I'm just so good. I'm just so happy that I'm going to go for a trip. And you're going to watch me throughout this trip. I'm going to show you how it went. Oh my God. Just stay glued to this channel because you're going to see how the trip went. So let's do the packing together. So these are the clothes. Yeah, let's pack it together. We'll fold it first. I think we'll just fold it and keep them here. Yeah. Then we'll now put them in the bag. Okay. I think we have to do with the trousers first. Let's do with the trousers. Let's arrange the trousers. Okay. Let's arrange the trousers in one place, in one line. Then we do the tops, we do the gowns. We arrange them into the box. Do I have another trouser? Okay. These are the trousers. Okay, let's fold this one. Fold this. Let's see. Okay. Let's do this together. Yeah, still on the trousers. Still on the trousers. So you won't mix things up. It's better to just do them separate, the trousers, the gown, the tops, the nightgown, the whatever, the home clothes you're putting on to stay at home, the one you wear to go out, just want to do it that way. I think it's better that way, right? Okay, so this is so you might not go with all these clothes because it's actually too much, and this box is not that big. Okay, it's not that big. I think we are done with the trousers. These are gowns. Let's keep the separate. Trousers is separate. So these are gowns. Let's go for the gowns. Then we'll do shirts. So don't make mistakes. So you don't forget anything. Wow. Yeah. So these are gowns. Okay, we have another gown here. Another gown. Okay. Okay, I think we're done with the gowns now. Let's go for shirts. We're almost there. Let's go for the shirts. These are shirts. Okay. These are shirts. This is another shirt. This is another shirt. They're not ironed. I'm going to iron them when I'm about putting them on. Okay. So for now, I'm just going to fold them this way. Yeah. not the shirt. Here's a jacket. Okay, I think we are done with the shirts now. Okay, we're done with gowns, trouser, shirts. Okay. Now I want to do the polo, the tops. Okay, this is a polo. This is the top. This is the top. This is a top. The top. A top. As I said, I'm not going with all this. So this is it. This is another top. So we'll do our nighty, or night gown, night wear. Okay. Okay, so we're going to our night wears. These are night wears. Okay. This is another of my night wear. Another of my night wear. This is another of my night wear. Okay, so I don't want this video to be this long, so you can just follow me up. So let's put it into the box. Let's do it together. Let's arrange it into the box together. Okay, so this is the box. This is the box. Okay. So let's start with the trouser. This is the trouser. Oh my god, do I have space? I have to create space. This is the trouser. These are the gowns. You see, so easy the way I'm packing it. Okay, these are the shirts. These are the shirts. All right. So these are the tops. Tops. Are you seeing? I'm almost there. So those are the shoes that I'm going to pack, and these are my 90. Put them here. So we are good to go. So yeah, this is how it will look. So this is how it will look. So I'm not going to zip it yet, but thank you for staying tuned with me to this moment. All right, so as I'm going for the trip, I'll also take you along. Thank you for staying along with me, for packing with me, packing up with me. So I'm going to put you through. You are going to go with me as I move. Every step I take for this trip, you're going to be aware of it. Thank you so much. Please, if you've not subscribed, you've not liked, you've not commented on my videos, please kindly do. Thank you so much, and stay tuned as we continue in the next video of this amazing trip. Bye.